In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get a live band mix in Shape using 4 plugins in Waves CLA Signature Series. These are, in effect, channel strip plugins. They do away with complicated controls. Instead, we have these banks of faders that provide particular purposes such as EQ and compression, and each have a few options here as well that can be toggled between by clicking these yellow buttons or bypassed altogether. In the first 2 episodes, we mixed some drums using CLA drums and a DI-based recording using, you guessed it, CLA bass. In this video, we're going to mix 2 electric guitars using CLA guitars. Let's jump straight in. Take it out of bypass. So quite a lot happening there. Delay, reverb, pitch. Let's take these and turn them down. Focus on the tone of this first. Okay, so that's the re-amplify. Gives you a bit more of a guitar amp tone. Prefer it without for this. But as you can hear, things start to get heavier, edgier, or bypass it altogether. Let's just bring out some top end in this. It's nice, bit of compression I think. Right, bit of delay. No, too much for this. Let's have a little go with some reverb. Yeah, that's all right. It's nice. Let's move across to the second guitar, which is a wah. Again, too much going on here with the effects. Let's just knock them out. Let's go back round again. Let's take the brightness down on this. Add a bit of tone. Ooh, the reamp actually works quite nicely for that. Let's try that again. Yeah, I like that. That works nicely. Just gives a nice sort of character to it. Go one step further. Let's hear what the pitch can do on that wah guitar. Now I have got this panned off a little bit towards the right, so we've got a bit of space for the other guitar in the mix. But that is doing something quite pleasing. We only need a little bit, I think. Just click in there, let's bring the output down, have another listen. Yeah, I like that. In the next episode, being the last episode in this series, we're going to be looking at CLA vocals for mixing the lead vocal in this mix. So be sure to check out that video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.